Guys, it's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another vlog. Together with me is my cousin Lila and my mama. Today is Christmas Day. We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you. My mama also. Hi mama. Hi. Usually like before Christmas Day or during Christmas Day, we go to places like Bahay na Walang Hatdam, Home for the Aged. But this year we're quite busy, so we just decided to give out food and some goodie bags for the homeless people or street children. Yay! Cooked spaghetti and chicken with Manang loving it. I'm gonna show you guys some clips of what happened, how I cooked this chicken and spaghetti earlier this day. Back in the kitchen with Itcha girl Avelovinit. Of course, you gotta put an apron and a hairnet to make sure that the food that we're gonna cook is clean. Manang, where's your apron? Manang is helping me out. Yan.
Dito, ano lulutuin dito?
Yung magpiprito. Dito spaghetti. So, you do the chicken, I do the spaghetti. Yan. Teamwork with Manang and Avelovinit. Manang, smile ka naman dito sa camera. Smile! Smile ka. Baka may mag-sponsor sa'yo ng event. Alright, so that was the preparation of the food, and I didn't get to film the loot bag preparation because my mom did it for me. Just so you know, you're the ones who sponsored this gift giving, because without you guys, without you watching my vlogs, I wouldn't have the money to buy the ingredients and all. But also, all thanks to Antonia's Catering. Yes, I'm gonna put the link below. That is our family's food catering. So if you guys have any upcoming baptismal parties, birthday parties,
Christmas parties,
yes, debuts, ano pa? Just random parties, I'm gonna put the link below. Yan, Antonia's Catering by the Avelovinit fam and also my Tita Lovinit. We are here along Naiya Road in search for homeless people or street children. Yan, Lila, ikaw bigay mo.
Nakago ka, sige, go.
Ay, hala.
Ano dyan, ma'am, ano tayo.
Yun lang.
Yeah. Nakayoki pa si Manang.
Merry Christmas! Ay! Teka lang, teka.
Ito yung baso tayo, te. Yung tatlong baso to sa tatlong anak. Ito sa anak ko, te. O, sige, ako.
Ay, teka lang po.
Teka muna.
Kaya mo na ang baso, te. Anong baso, te? Nalapin yung baso.
Teka. Alam ko laro.
Ay, dalawa pa, te. Nalapin yung baso. Para tagin sa sulat at
Ito pa
sana ko, te.
Ito niya ako sa penel na pa.
Ate.
Okay na lang. Huwag na mga. Ayan, ayan na.
Okay na. Okay po. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Ka na magtawag.
Okay.
Sige. Ay, oh, Merry Christmas!
Oh, go. Go. Ayun na sila.
Isa-isa ka. Isa.
Tatay.
Ay, ibigay mo to, Lila.
Isa.
Salamat, bigay mo. Oh. Yung ano, Neng, yung may biscuit. Yung yung may biscuit. Salamat. Merry Christmas. Yun. Walang tende ba? Naungan nila ko kayo. Ako wala. Yun, ganda na.
Wala na.
Okay na. Okay na. Kasi may bibigyan
Okay,
pa
sige.
kami. Iba naman.
Buti pa sila nagte-thank you.
Oo nga.
Oh, bilis yan.
Ayun na. Sige na, go.
Oh, Merry Christmas, ha?
Merry Christmas po. Merry Christmas.
Ito si Tutoy.
Pwede po.
Bala.
Candy.
Ayun yung batang lalaki. Asan na yung batang lalaki? Ayun, alika dito.
Pwede ka pa man.
Ayan. Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Hello. Thank you. Ha? Asan kapatid ko? Nanay. Okay na yan. Bigyan mo na lang siya. Ayan pala.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas po. Salamat.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Ubus na eh.
Ito, meron.
What's up, guys? I'm back at home. I had so much fun cooking. It's the time of the year where I'm always grateful for all of the blessings that I've received throughout the year, and I'm lucky enough to have this platform to encourage you guys also to do the same thing. You don't have to be a politician, an influential person, an actor, an actress to do these things. Little things can go a long way, I assure you. And I'm so happy to see the smile on their faces, the Merry Christmases, and you know, just simply being happy receiving food. These people don't get to eat 3 times a day. Sometimes they just eat once a day. I live in a third world country, and I've been traveling around different places, first world countries even, and I don't get to see homeless people as much as here in the Philippines. I'm truly grateful that I can get to eat 3 times, even to 5 times a day, and just by simply giving out some of these blessings to other people, it makes me happy. My family and I have been doing this every year. I guess it doesn't have to be Christmas or any occasion to do this, you know. I should do this more often. So I owe this to you guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs. If it wasn't for your views, I wouldn't have funds to buy the ingredients. Also cooking for people, that makes me happy. It gives me that rush feeling, pagbabalik loob, ika nga nila. You know, vlogging and cooking, combine it, and sharing my blessings. Best feeling in the world. You know, Christmas season shouldn't be just for any religion, social status. Everyone deserves to feel love. Give love on Christmas Day. To chicken and spaghetti, I can eat that every day. Like, aminin nyo. Like, honestly though, some of you guys who are watching this can eat those kind of stuff every day. They don't have that opportunity. Christmas season is not just about giving, but it's also spreading love, even to people that you don't even know. I'm just waiting for my brother. We're gonna go out, hear mass, and after that, I think watch a movie, have dinner with my family, because we're complete. My aunt, my cousins are here, my parents are all here. There's always something to be thankful for, and I'm here. Oh, especially me, I'm here in Manila. There's always something to be grateful for, and I'm just so full of love, and I want to spread this positivity. It doesn't cost anything to be nice. I'm gonna end this short vlog to just let you guys know and be aware about the current situation here in the Philippines. We were only there for an hour. We've given out what, 100 food to people, so I'm quite happy. So yeah, Merry Christmas everyone. Hope you have a good one. Share some love, give your parents a hug, and your cousins, your sisters, your brothers, your friends. Tell them how thankful you are to have them in your life, because you never know. You'll never know when the time will come when you can't say this personally to them, right? Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Advent.